We can hear the falls already. Let's go. Hi
Hi
guys.
guys,
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Rippy.
I'm Rinku.
So today we are here at Hamilton and we are going to explore one of the falls in Hamilton, and that is called Tiffany Falls. So we are going to take all of you there with us and see how beautiful it is and what all the views are there. Hamilton from downtown Toronto. Today we use public transit, that is Go Transit. So from Hamilton Go, buses are available to the falls. Tiffany Falls flows from Tiffany Creek and are located at 900 Wilson Street East, Ancestor, Ontario. Actually, our real plan was to come to Dundas Peak and explore Dundas Peak, Tew Falls and Wester Falls, but something didn't work and our plan got flopped.
Actually, we didn't do reservation.
We didn't do the reservation. The Tew Fall required some reservation, we have to do it, and we were not aware of that. So you guys who are coming to Tew Falls and Dundas Peak, so please do the reservation beforehand, like 24 hours before coming here. And after that, so we don't want to spoil our day, right? So we have come to Tiffany Falls and we just change our plan and let's see how it
Which
is.
is, I think, 10 kilometers away from
Correct, yeah.
Tew Falls entry location. So,
Yeah, from entry it's 9 or 10 kilometers.
You can take Uber also.
Right. So we have reached here and we are going on a trek to Tiffany Falls. So yeah, we will see how it is. We can hear the falls already. Let's go. It's about 5-10 minutes walk from parking lot to the falls, and the trails are really short and very easy. We identified a musician playing music near the falls, which was adding to the beauty of this gorgeous falls. Though this was not a part of our plan, but we are pleasantly surprised to discover the beauty of the falls. Though this waterfall is not that big, but you can see the view from here. This is so mesmerizing, right? And the sound of this fall, this is so soothing. And you can see the trees all around and the nature. And this is really, really, really good. And I actually went there inside the waterfall. I just loved it. And anyone can just spend a lot of time, a good amount of time over here. And yeah, actually this is not big, but yeah, worth it, whatever it is. Since we all are maintaining a really busy life nowadays, we deserve such breaks often. So I would say anyone can easily spend 1 or 2 hours here taking photographs, enjoying this view. This place has actually a really good vibe, and the nature around this actually gives you a really positive energy and refreshed energy and a boost for your next day. So I would recommend, please do come here and visit this place. You will actually love it. We have reached downtown Hamilton and we are going to explore it now. Before saying goodbye to Hamilton, we thought of coming to downtown Hamilton and exploring the lanes. So we came here and trust me, we had a great time. And now it's time to head back home. So hope you like our video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like our channel, if you like our video. So see you in our next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.
Stay safe.